Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. In this video, I'm going to show you really interesting way. Okay, so if you haven't checked out this video on my channel, then go definitely check out this video. The link is there in the description and in the I button because this is the particular idea which I will be continuing. Okay, so in this idea, I have shown you how to create a really unique niche faceless YouTube channel. Now I'll be showing you how you will monetize that channel from the first day. So I'll be showing you 3 affiliate programs. If you are gonna work on this type of YouTube channel which is shown in this video, then you just have to definitely use these 3 affiliate programs to monetize your content from the first day. And these are really trusted affiliate programs which most of the people really trust, and that's the reason why you can get a very high conversion rate on this affiliate programs, and not many people are promoting this, and that's the reason why you can earn a lot of money with this strategy. Okay, so just watch this video and after that you can continue watching this video. Okay, so the first affiliate program which I'm going to suggest you is Canva affiliate program. Now many of the people will tell you how to design graphics on Canva and all this stuff. Okay, but none of the people are going to tell you that Canva has its own affiliate program, and you can also promote this affiliate program as an affiliate for Canva. And for every Canva Pro upgrade, if someone signs up for a free trial of Canva and upgrades it to a pro plan, then you are gonna get $36 of awesome commission. Okay, so you can see, so if you are able to get only one sale every single day, then you will be earning almost $36 every single day, and that would be really awesome because it could result into almost $1,000 a month. Okay, so this is something which is really interesting. So you can just definitely go and start promoting this first affiliate program, and everybody knows that Canva is a really trusted platform, and many of the people prefer to upgrade it to pro plan, and that's why reason you can make good money with this affiliate program utilizing the idea which I have shown in that particular video. The link is there in the description and I button. Now if you are gonna create that type of graphic design channel, the second affiliate program with which you can monetize your content from the first day is Placeit. Okay, so Placeit is just similar to Canva, and it's also a design tool, so you can design many of the things on Placeit also, like t-shirts, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, and all that really interesting and cool stuff. So this is also a program, and why I am saying this program, because it is really priced very reasonably, and that's the reason why people really prefer to go to Placeit, and it gets updated every single day. All its designs are updated every single day, and that's the reason why it's really popular among the designers, and that's the why reason you can just promote this also. And it is also a very trusted affiliate program. That's the reason why you could get a lot of conversions of this program also, if you are gonna follow that YouTube channel idea which I have shown in that video. Okay, so now the third affiliate program is that, now I have told you in that video that you can just promote yourself and make your own course and promote it, but many of the people will find it difficult to make a course in the starting. Okay, so it's really difficult for you in the starting to make a course. That's the reason why you can just join Udemy affiliate programs, and you can find a lot of graphic designers and their courses. And what you can do is join Udemy as an affiliate and promote their graphic design courses in the beginning. After that you make your own course and then start promoting those courses to that. Okay, and in this way you are gonna make a ton of money, and this is something which is the continuation of that particular idea of that particular unique YouTube channel which you can make and start earning from that. None of the YouTubers are making this type of videos who are giving you entire blueprints of how to make a YouTube channel, how to make it monetizable, and how to build it as a business. This is the exclusive content which is only available on my channel. So if you are interested in this type of exclusive videos where I teach you how to start a YouTube channel, what you should need in a YouTube channel, how to make its videos, how to monetize it, no need of Google AdSense, don't need to show your face, then you can definitely check my channel, because I have a ton of content which is regarding all these topics regarding make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So if you are interested in this type of videos, do press the subscribe button, do press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.